Yes guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Flex Jamaican Cuisine. That is it. Please remember guys, just continue to support the channel, you know what I mean? So today guys, I'm making dapper juice, isn't it? Yeah man, strong back. That is it. So here I have one ripe plantain, some oats and peanuts. Yeah man. So I'm gonna add some honey guys. It's for preservative guys. This is not really, yeah man, one shot of white overproof rum. Jamaican best. Yeah. Guinness. Yeah man. One egg and some milk. Alright guys, so here I have my empty jug, so I'm gonna pour it in there. Alright, and for the second rounds guys, use some flaxseed. Sour sap. Yeah man. Good stuff guys, good stuff. Yeah man, this good for the nerves, isn't it? Add some more Guinness. One more egg. Ripe banana. Add some more milk. Some honey. One more shot of white rum. And some oats. Alright, and then we're gonna blend again, guys. Strong back. Yeah. Yes, guys. So remember, guys, any one of you men out there don't have a woman, don't try this at home. Yeah. Put yourself in a problem. That is it. One more banana, guys. Guinness. Some more flaxseed. Soursop. Some honey. Some more oats. Milk. Yeah, and then we're gonna blend again, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna add it to the rest of it. Then we're gonna shake it, get everything mixed together. That is it. So tell me what you think about my strong back juice. Yeah man, no joke. yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you all for watching. That is it.